What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and it's finally time for this month's Featuring You. Let's do it. So for this month, we had a lot of amazing entries. I'll put the link to all the entries down in the description so you guys can go check them out. It took me such a long time to figure out which ones I want to feature, and I really did want to feature everyone, but I didn't want to make this video like an hour long. So everyone that entered, in this month's contest, I will put the link to their channel down below. So that being said, let's get into the 3 entries that I chose. Up first, we have Robert Ball Magician. And let me tell you, this guy's absolutely amazing. Definitely one of my favorite people to watch on YouTube. And he has a video called the Technicolor Color Change with a spectator's chosen card. And let's just get started with his video.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I got a card trick today, which is I call Technicolor Color Change. Okay, I'm sure it's called other things in other worlds and other languages. I don't know, but this is what I'm calling it. So once again with me, you should know Ryan by now, my grandson. He doesn't live with us, but sometimes it feels like it is. No. What we're going to do is we're going to do a trick today with a nice deck of cards. Okay? Now, I'm going to cut these up a little bit. There's your favorite card, by the way. Right, there's your favorite card, the ace. Tell you what, let's put that right on top. How's that sound? Does that sound good? We're going to cut the cards. We lost that one. Okay. Now, I want you to give me a number between 10 and 20.
13.
13. Lucky 13. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13. Okay, there's that ace. Okay, now what is 13? What's 1 and 3?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3. That will be your card, okay? Now, you had a choice between 10 and 20, and we ended up with the 2 of clubs. Now, from the blue deck of cards, you ended up with the 2 of clubs. But you could have had any of these, right? Okay, but you didn't. It's a good thing you didn't. You know why? All these are red. Okay. As a matter of fact, all these are different too. These are all different. Whether you look at it like this, or whether you look at it like this, they're all different. So where's the blue deck of cards? Oh, it's gone. As a matter of fact, you picked the only green card in the entire bunch. Okay guys, that is the Technicolor Color Change card trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, there'll be more card tricks coming up. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.
So I hope you guys loved that performance, because I know I definitely did. Did not see the ending coming whatsoever. Usually what happens is it's like one card that's a different color, like for example blue, and the rest are all red. But this time it was green, red, and multicolored cards, which made this trick so cool, and that's pretty much the reason why I chose it. So fantastic job, great performance. So next we have a great upcoming channel, Naija Magic, and I hope I'm saying it right. I'm not 100% sure, so forgive me if I'm not. But I love the trick that this guy did, so I'm gonna share his video with you guys.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zachary Faro, and this is my video for the Featuring You contest on CardMechanic channel. So in case you don't know him or you haven't subscribed to his channel, I'm going to leave the link below. He has amazing videos on card magic tutorial. And also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's get ready for the performance. So for each card trick, I'm using a blue deck of playing cards, and they are very old. So first, I'm just going to give the card a quick shuffle. And also in my back pocket, I actually have a red playing card. And this card is going to aim to find your card in a moment. But first, I'm just going to place it in my back pocket. Then at this point, I can spread through count to select any kind in there. So let's see the person has selected this card, the three of clubs. At this point, you can actually tell spectator to sign this card. So I'm just gonna write very weird signature. So I hope you can see the three of clubs. I'm going to place somewhere in the middle of there, completely low. And also for each trick, we are going to need the help of the red playing card. Okay, sure. There you go. And also at this point, you can tell the player to give the card a quick shuffle. Just to follow me the deck. Just one careful, all I have to do is just go 1, 2, ready, go. And that's it. I will notice that the red playing card is now in the middle of just 2 selected cards. And okay, this setting your card. That means hopefully this card is going to be oops. Okay, seriously, I know what happened. Actually, for this trick, the red playing card now becomes a selected card. You can still see the signature on it. So that's the card trick. I hope you enjoyed it.
So I hope you guys loved his performance as well, because I know I definitely like tricks where you have the back of the card changed while it's signed. And that's probably one of the main reasons why I chose it, because that happens, and there's an expectation of something else that's going to happen, like one of the 2 cards that he put in between, one of those cards is going to be the card, and then suddenly you just mix it up. So that just makes it a lot cooler. And finally, up next, we have my running buddy Gaffed Academy. And of course, his performances, his gaffs, and everything are just amazing as it is. So let's check out his performance.
Right guys, I am back. Now this is my entry to the CardMechanics featuring you upload. Right, I want you, but first I will let you know I'm not going to be revealing this trick until the end of the month. But I will upload it onto my channel, but there won't be a reveal till the end of the month. Right, I want you to think of a number between, oh, Robert Ball Magician, nice one brother. Think of a number between 1 and 10, and a number between 10 and 20. So let's say you say, think of 6 and 13. Completely free choice, you could think of any numbers. I'm going to give the cards a bit of a mix-up. And then I'm going to show you some cards. I want you to remember the 6th and the 13th card I show you. But I, as a magician, would not know these numbers, and I'm not going to know the card. But I need to know these numbers for doing it to you. So just remember the 6th card, but I will not look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Remember this card. If I was doing this live, I'd go right up to 20 because I wouldn't know what numbers they would have picked. I'm just going to give the cards a bit of a mix-up now. We can give them a bit of a cut and a shuffle, doesn't matter. But you've seen a couple of cards in the deck. I'm just going to get these numbers now. As a magician, I want to know these numbers now. So it's 6. I'm going to deal down to the 6th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm hoping that 2 is not one of the cards you saw. If it is, I've screwed up the trick. But I'm going to assume it's working so far. And the 13th card. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 of hearts. Hopefully that wasn't your card. But what you have done is found 2 indicator cards. These are 2 indicator cards, and you found them out of the whole deck. So that's another trick you've done. You've found the only 2 indicator cards. So I'm going to deal cards down onto the table. I want you just to put an indicator card in whenever you want. Stop right there. And we'll do the same again. Just stop me whenever you like. Anytime you want to say stop, just stop. Stop. Right, cards were shuffled. You gave me any random numbers. I've no idea what they were. You saw a couple of cards. We've dealt down. You said stop. There's lots of random occurrences going on now. So I'm just going to find the 2 places we stopped at. Next to the indicator cards. Had you have stopped anywhere else, you could have landed on a completely different card. I'm hoping you saw the 4 of hearts and the Queen of diamonds. So that is a trick, guys. I'm not actually going to know whether these are the two cards until I watch this video back. So that is my entry for the Card Mechanics Featuring You September upload. I hope this has worked. Cheers, Robert Ball.
So I hope you guys loved Gaffed Academy's performance, and of course his videos are always the best. And the reason why I actually chose it is because I really loved this trick and the handling that he did on it. Of course, this would be a lot more powerful when, you know, done for a spectator, but the idea is just phenomenal. So I really loved his idea. And those are all 3 entries. Make sure to go check all those guys out along with everyone else that entered this Featuring You contest. Links to all of them will be in the description below. Now, here's where it gets good. So, as soon as this video has been uploaded, there will be a poll where you guys can vote on these 3 people that were here in this Featuring You video. And from there, you can select which one that you want to win. And then, of course, the winner will get a pack of Super B playing cards or any t-shirt they want from my merch store. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for everyone that participated. This video definitely could not have happened without all your entries. And of course, great job to everyone that sent me their entries. All of you just did absolutely phenomenal. And of course, lastly, the next Featuring You will be happening in November, so keep your eyes open for that. Welcome to the end screen. Thanks for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel, because that'll really mean a lot to me. So link to that in the description along with all my social media stuff. So make sure to follow me on there as well. And that being said, I'll see you in my next video.